Okay, so what you need to do is just simply go to Clock app. Just open it up. Once you're inside Clock app, here as you can see, I have a few alarms. So you need to turn on a alarm. So if you don't have it, just simply make an alarm by just pressing on this plus icon on the corner. Once you do this, you can just set up the time and everything, and AM to PM, and then repeat. You just choose that and give it a label and then give it a sound. Once you do this, just press save, and here as you can see we do have an alarm, but I do have another alarm which is better. So if I press on it, here as you can see, here's the sound. And once the sound is set, I'm just gonna press save and make sure the app is turned on the background. Once this is done, just go to your settings, and right over here you just gotta go to sound and aptics. Just go ahead and press on that. Once over here, what you need to do, just simply make sure change with buttons is turned on. If it's turned off, just simply turn it on, and you can just adjust the volume up to your preference, just like that. And yeah, you're done after this. And yeah, hope you find it useful. I'll see you soon.